Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix an issue some users experience on macOS, where the Connect button in the Seed4Me VPN app becomes grayed out and shows undefined instead of the Connect button. This can prevent you from connecting to the VPN, whatever the location or country you choose, but don't worry, I'll show you a quick and easy solution to get everything working again. Let's get started. First, close the Seed4Me VPN app from the background. Open the Activity Monitor app on your Mac by searching for it using Spotlight Search, which you can access by pressing Command plus space. You can also find the Activity Monitor by going to Launchpad and then navigating to the Other folder, where it's located alongside other utility apps. In the search field, type Seed to find the Seed4Me VPN service. Double-click the Seed4Me VPN service, then click the Quit button in the bottom left corner of the window. If prompted, enter your password to ensure the service fully restarts. That's it! The application should now be working without any issues. If you continue to experience problems or have any other questions, feel free to reach out to our support team at support@seed4.me. We're always here to help.